What's up, guys? Hey guys, it's me. So I made the video on the little Rover earlier. This is also what I picked up at Home Depot today. The Makita 9-piece impact socket set, and they're 6-point. Just the shallow, metric, and standard. You see it says 4 impact drivers. Heat treated alloy steel, black oxide finish, 6-point as well. On the metric, I'm sorry, these are the metric, these are the standard. Got your sizes here, and it comes with a little adapter for your quarter hex impact guns. So the Impact Gold, high strength 6-point, designed for impact drivers, impact wrenches and ratchets, 15-degree tilt using your adapter. So tells you on that, 15 degrees. Same, both include the adapter. Oh, I forgot to open that. I also picked up the little Ryobi spiral screw extractor set. It's a little 5-piece. Another punch. I give this to one of my friends at work. He really loves it, so I had to get another one. And some fast tape, self-sealing duct tape. Alright, let's get these bad boys out. I already cut this one. Oh, okay, so it's even got a holder there. Let's get one of these out. Alright, let's check these out. Oh, okay, so it's got a nice stamp in there, Makita. Pretty good looking socket. But what's the best about these is how much I paid. I'll lay this receipt here. You can see there, Makita 9-piece gold socket set, $13, guys. The other one said $20. I guess they hadn't marked it down yet. $13. What a deal. Normally they're like 20 bucks. So if you're like me and you bought impact guns, you don't have impact sockets, this is a good little starter set of shallows. Here's the part number for the standard set. Here's the part number for the metric set. And I was just thinking, they're the same. Pull this one out. It's 18. Stamped in there, Makita. Looks pretty good. I was just thinking about the lifetime warranty. Do they have one? I didn't even look because it was such a good deal. And the adapter's made in Japan. The socket's made in Taiwan. Assembled in the USA. There we go. So that's it, guys. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Thank you.